Hello everyone, I'm Philip, and I help teams and organizations create software more effectively. A big part of my work involves guiding teams on what it truly means to work in an agile way. In this video, we're breaking down the importance of two key elements in Scrum that drive sprint success, the sprint goal and the definition of done. We'll discuss why setting a clear sprint goal helps keep the team focused on delivering value, and how a well-defined definition of done ensures quality and consistency in every sprint. Sprint goals and definition of done, DoD. Together, these concepts form a foundation that keeps teams aligned, productive, and confident in the quality of their work. Let's explore how they work and how you can implement them effectively in your own Scrum process. Understanding the sprint goal. The sprint goal is a single, specific objective that the team aims to achieve by the end of the sprint. It acts as a guiding light, ensuring everyone is focused on a common outcome. A well-defined sprint goal gives purpose to the sprint. It helps the team stay aligned, even if they need to make adjustments along the way. When unexpected challenges arise, the team can use the sprint goal to determine which tasks to prioritize or deprioritize to stay on track. According to the Scrum Guide, the sprint goal is created collaboratively by the product owner and the development team during sprint planning. The product owner helps to articulate the goal based on product priorities, while the development team assesses its feasibility and commits to achieving it. For instance, in a sprint where the sprint goal is enable user account creation, all tasks within the sprint backlog, like setting up the registration page and back-end validations, directly contribute to achieving this functionality. How to create a meaningful sprint goal. A good sprint goal is clear, achievable, and aligned with the product roadmap. Here's how to craft an effective sprint goal. 1. Keep it simple. Focus on a single high-value outcome. 2. Ensure feasibility. Confirm with the team that the goal is realistic given their capacity and the sprint's time box. 3. Align with product vision. Make sure the goal contributes to the long-term vision of the product, helping stakeholders understand the sprint's value. Sprint goals. Example. Improve loading speed of the home page. Implement password recovery for user accounts. Optimize checkout process for faster transactions. What is the definition of done, DoD? The definition of done, DoD, outlines the quality standards that each task or feature must meet before it can be considered complete. This ensures consistency and prevents incomplete work from reaching production. According to the Scrum Guide, the DoD is a checklist of criteria agreed upon by the team, and it can vary by team, organization, or project. The DoD provides transparency so that everyone, team members and stakeholders, knows when an increment is truly finished. Some teams might have a simple DoD, like code reviewed and tested, while others might have more comprehensive requirements such as documentation, design review, or security testing. One, the DoD is essential because it sets a shared standard for quality and completeness. It helps teams avoid misunderstandings and ensures the product increment is releasable. 2, with a DoD, the team can confidently say, this feature is done without any doubts about quality. It prevents rework and maintains a consistent quality baseline across all completed tasks. 3, when stakeholders see that each increment meets the DoD, they can trust that the team is delivering stable, reliable increments, ready for use or release. Creating and adapting your definition of done. To create an effective DoD, the team should consider all steps required to deliver high-quality work. Here are the key steps. 1. List essential quality checks. Include criteria like code review, unit test, user documentation, and security validation. 2. Collaborate as a team. The DoD should reflect the skills and capacities of the development team. If they agree on the criteria, they're more likely to adhere to it. 3. Adapt as needed. As the team grows or project requirements change, the DoD may evolve. During each sprint retrospective, the team can discuss if they need to add or remove items to keep the DoD relevant and manageable. Example of a DoD. Code reviewed and merged into the main branch. Passes all automated tests and unit tests. Documented for end users and the support team. UI/UX elements validated with the design team. When used together, the sprint goal and definition of done create a powerful framework for sprint success. The sprint goal provides direction, while the DoD ensures quality. Mid-sprint adjustments. During the sprint, if the team faces obstacles or needs to adjust their plan, they can rely on the sprint goal to decide which tasks to prioritize. At the same time, the DoD keeps the team aligned on quality, even if the scope is adjusted. Measuring sprint success. At the end of each sprint, the team can review whether they met the sprint goal and completed each item according to the DoD. This process enables continuous improvement, guiding adjustments for future sprints. Conclusion: sprint goal and definition of done as pillars of quality and focus. In Scrum, the sprint goal and definition of done are fundamental. The sprint goal keeps the team focused on delivering value, while the DoD ensures that what they deliver meets high standards. Together, these tools empower Scrum teams to work more effectively, deliver quality increments, and earn stakeholder trust. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments how your team sets its sprint goals and what criteria you include in your DoD. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on Agile practices.